Jamaica Kingston, cushion of the paper. Me walk on earth like ancient tree, roots deep down in history. Me crown lock up, me spirit free. Me face the sun, me bend fi breeze. Me eyes not blind, me sight not dim. Me drink the herb, me sing a hymn. Mountains whisper, rivers talk. Me soul awaken when me walk. Me no in a rush, me take me time. Every moment is Jah design. Me light the chalice, inhale peace. Exhale worries, let trouble cease. Me hear the call of ancestors. Them guide me through the stormy waters. Me chanting at the early dawn. Meditate till Babylon gone. Me grow like tree in the wind. Me not break, me not bend. Roots hold strong from deep within. Me rise again and again. Me praise Jah with every breath. Me fear not shadow, me fear not death. Life is sacred, time I test. Me live for truth and leave the rest. Me sit beneath the mango tree. Birds are singing harmony. Me woman cook ital stew. Me give thanks for all we do. No concrete, no flashing light. Just moon and firelight in the night. Me children learn from earth and sky. Them know Jah love will never die. Ganja smoke rise like holy steam. Open up me soul for dream. Me float above the world below. Me see what most will never know. Truth now live in a headline. It dwell in heart, an ancient sign. Me reason with me elders wise. Them teach me how to recognize. Me grow like tree in the wind. Me not break, me not bend. Roots hold strong from deep within. Me rise again and again. Me praise Jah with every breath. Me fear not shadow, me fear not death. Life is sacred, time I test. Me live with truth and leave the rest. Me no look for man and judge. Me no walk with grudge. Me build bridge, me plant seed, me water tree, me do good deed. Love are the only real law, the only one me ever saw. Me not carry no vanity, just a bag full of humility. So when breeze blow and leaves a fall, me still hear just silent call. Me spirit dance like burning flame. Me know who I am, me know me name. Rasta live, Rasta lead. Me heart clean, me soul a feed. Me path simple, me steps true and jagadi in all me do. Jah guide me. Jah guide me.
Aye, 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 Zion. Play the music, yeah, man. Underneath the coconut tree, me sit and reason with the breeze. Herb in a chalice, spark the flame. Me call upon Jah holy name. The birds them fly in a sacred dance. Me eyes closed, me spirit in trance. Me no need no riches nor gold. Just truth me heart forever hold. Me take me steps on sacred ground. Every footstep make a conscious sound. Me soul wash clean by river water. Me chant down lies, feed the sons and daughters. From the hills of Zion, sea so blue. Me live one life, and that life true. Me temple now built from Babylon stone. Me mind and heart, that's Jah throne. Walk with I on the Rasta way, where ganja smoke rise and worry sway. The drums them talk, the spirit rise. Me find Jah light behind me eyes. Peace and fire, truth and flame. Every Rasta walking Jah name. No more hate, no more shame. Only love and the sacred flame. Me grow me food, me till the land. Me praise the Most High with every hand. No poison in a me plate, only ital vibes me cultivate. Me woman strong, me children wise. We teach them truth, not dealing lies. The system can't trap me mind. Me meditate and realign. Me light me spliff for meditation. Me chant for deep liberation. From Babylon chains me break free. Now me soul float like leaf pan tree. The rhythm guide me like compass star. Me heart beat deep like Naya drum afar. Jah love deeper than ocean tide. In a him presence me abide. Walk with I on the Rasta way, where ganja smoke rise and worry sway. The drums them talk, the spirit rise. Me find Jah light behind me eyes. Peace and fire, truth and flame. Every Rasta walk in Jah name. No more hate, no more shame. Only love and the sacred flame. Me no preach, me live example. Like the prophets from the temple. Me carry love like staff in a hand. We uplift people in every land. Me not follow no wicked trend. Me build, me reason, me defend. Every day a chance we grow. Me listen to Jah and let love flow. So when me journey reach the end, me know me walk with truth as friend. Me spirit rise like morning sun, cause Rasta mission never done. Me voice will echo through wind and tree, still chanting songs we set souls free. On this path of sacred flame, me live and die in Jah name. Yeah.
Soul feel right, no stress, just Jah energy. mansion pan hill. Just me out, me spliff, me pot fi fill. Ital food bubble, spirit grow. Rainfall sweet, make me garden flow. Each step me take with care. Me plant seed of hope everywhere. From Kingston to Addis Ababa, me voice echo like Nyabinghi lava. Them ask me why, me always smile. Me say Jah love it stretch me mile. Me say no chain can bind me soul. Me freedom deeper than silver and gold. So me dance in a sun, chant in a night. Every moment sacred in Jah sight. Me no follow hype, me follow sound. Heartbeat reading Zion ground. Lion heart in a morning light. Herb unclean, me soul feel right. No stress, just Jah energy. Me live in a love and harmony. Yes, me chant and me dance all day. Give thanks for the Rasta way. From roots to crown, me stand firm tall. Jah lift me every time me fall. Me link with brother them in our hills. We sip tea, chant and catch them chills. Talk about prophecy, talk about life. Talk about how love cut deeper than knife. Some lost them way, some find them light. But Rasta man walk straight through night. The road rough, but me heart stay strong. Sing one love in every song. So when the day done and stars appear, me still hold Jah message near. Me light one spliff, me bless me bed. Jah protect me from dread and dread. Me dreams full of rhythm and flame. Me wake up next day and do the same. Cause me life a him, me days a prayer. And Jah love always right there.
Na 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 Zion reggae and meditate, ya man. Evening light, paint the sky in gold. Me sit on the hill, watch the story unfold. In a me hand, heart in a chance. Nyabinghi rhythm, the soul start dance. Ganja cloud curl like ancient prayer. Calling Anja, no say him near. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Just the fire, the herbs, Anja holy name. Rhythm beat like heartbeat steady. Me soul clean, me spirit ready. Babylon try, chain me thoughts, but Rasta free in every step me walk. Them build walls, me build bridges. Them love war, me chant peace for the children. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. A future of love, me see it near. Evening smoke rise high, lift me soul to Jah sky. Drum beat carry me far. Past the pain, past the scar. Rasta chant under the sun till the moon rise and Babylon done. Me meditate on Zion ground where roots run deep and truth is found. Me chant psalms while me eyes are closed. Nature whisper all the things me know. Me no need no screen fi see light. The fire inside keep me vibes bright. Me cook ital, live ital, think ital too. Me life a him, me words them true. Every puff a meditation, every beat a soul salvation. Fire blaze but me heart stay cool. Jah teach me love, me learn the rules.
Rasta no bend, Rasta no break. Me rise up early for conscience sake. Me no need no church fi reach him gate. Me pray in silence, me no tempt fate. All me need is the earth and sky, and a drum beat strong when me spirit cry. Evening smoke rise high, lift me soul to Jah sky. Drum beat carry me far, past the pain, past the scar. Rasta chant under the sun, till the moon rise and Babylon done. Me meditate on Zion ground, where roots run deep and truth is found. Youth them lost in a denies and take. Them forget say life a deeper step. But when me drop rhythm and light that flame, me remind them of Jah holy name. Rasta nah preach for likes and fame. Me chant for the ones who feel the pain. Me bring them herbs, me bring them hope, me show them all Rasta cope. So me drift in the night, so cool, so clear. The stars them whisper, no need for fear. Me close me eye, me still can see the path of love just set for me. Me chant me psalm in peaceful tone, with ganja breath in a flesh and bone. Me not chase crown, me not chase gold, me chase the spirit that never old. Evening fade, but the light remain. Inna the smoke, me heal the pain. Every beat, every herb, every word me sing, I praise to Jah, to everything. So when the youth them light them fire, me hope me song lift them higher. Me story echo in every drum, till all the children know where them from.
Ay, 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 ay. My Rastafari's, Jah bless the world. Me rise up early, sun in a me eye. Me hear Jah whisper from the sky. Them say go slow, but me can't wait. The fire in a me roots, nah hesitate. Babylon build walls round with soul, but me say love break every control. Them say follow the dollar, me say no. Me follow the river, me let it flow. Me granny say, youth mind your way, but me say granny, the system stray. Me nah fit in a the rat race. Me say truth live in a Jah face. Them want silence, me say vice. Them want fear, me say choice. Me say rebel heart, me say flame. Me chant freedom in a Jah name. Fire in a roots, me say blaze. Through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Just soldiers never fall. Fire in a roots, me say rise. Like this city, like these skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jah music, shake the ground. Them put cameras on me street. Them say me dangerous cause me speak. But me lyrics nah bend, nah break. Me say rebel love, nah fake. Me say chant down every chain. Me say dance inna the rain. Me say uplift me brother, me say heal. Me say freedom song real. Me say no machine can kill soul. Me say no wall can block goal. Me say from Kingston to Berlin, rebel voice still ring. Them say me too loud, me say louder. Them say me too proud, me say prouder. Me say Jah guide every step. Me say me nah have no regret. Listen now, can you hear it clear? The sound of freedom draw near. Me say march on the street with drum. Me say Babylon time done. Me say heart over weapon. Me say truth over deception. Me say one love inna the crowd. Me say chant it strong, chant it loud. Fire in our roots. Me say blaze through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Just soldiers never fall. Fire in our roots. Me say rise, light this city, light the skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jah music shake the ground. Me say from Africa plain to Caribbean sea, the rebel song set we free. Me say no chain palm me mind. Me say leave Babylon behind. Me say children dance, elders smile. Me say walk free every mile. Me say no more war for oil. Me say plant seed in a soil. Me say turn up the sound system. Me say rebel music wisdom. Me say heal the wound with vibe. Me say live free, me say thrive. So me walk with fire in a me step. Me say love is all me rep. Me say roots deep in the ground. Me say hear it now, rebel sound.
Zion echoes, calling all in the boobats. Yeah man. Jah Herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Roll the manly strain, make the fire ignite. Inna the darkness, Jah bring the light. The herb a power, the wicked can't fight. Jah wisdom pure, it shining bright. Me sing for the sufferer, the broken chain. Reggae melody soothe the pain. From trench town struggles to Zion gain. The herb a make we spirits sustain. Pass the chalice, chant the holy word. The message of peace, let it be heard. Inna the ghetto where the youth them stirred. The ganja fire make the open furred. Jah Herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Me see the tears in a mama's eye. The system cruel, them can't deny. The ganja garden and me reply. Selassie I guide me, just spirit high. Light up this sour diesel, the essence pure. Healing the nations, Jah Herb secure. The Babylon system can't obscure. With Jah in a me heart, me spirit sure. From the hilltop, the fire burn bright. The herb a make me vision insight. The rhythm a chant, me soul take flight. Selassie I bless me through the night. The herb a the healing, the love can end. Jah Jah guide, we make the spirit mend. With the reggae rhythm, the vibes transcend. One love, one herb, make the fire ascend. Jah Herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny.
Zion echoes, Cali kush smoke. Me like me feel the breeze. Me puff the herb, me live with ease. Me watch the smoke rise slow and high. Me feel the rhythm, me touch the sky. Purple haze, the best in town. Me pass the spliff, me never frown. Inhale the bliss, me feel the peace. Me puff the ganja, me soul release. The sunset low, the moon a shine. Me inna the zone, me sip the wine. The herb a the cure, me soul it heal. Me puff the weed, me feel the real. Every drag, me see the light. Me feel the calm, me feel the might. We inna the garden, the flowers grow. Me take the puff, the vibes a flow. Me smoke, me feel, me rise above. Me puff the herb, me feel the love. Jah guide me steps, me heart stay true. Me smoke the weed, me feel the you. We puff the sweet, we puff the strong. Inna the rhythm, we sing the song. Lemon kush, the flavor so nice. Me roll the spliff, me pay the price. Me step on the street, me feel so blessed. The herb for the soul, me never stress. Every drug a meditation for the mind. Me puff the ganja, me leave it behind. Me a the fire, me are the flame. Me puff the herb, me never tame. Herb a me guide, me soul it free. Me take a puff, me let it be. Me smoke, me feel, me rise above. Me puff the herb, me feel the love. Jah guide me steps, me heart stay true. Me smoke the weed, me feel the hue. Me light the spliff, me feel the way. Me puff the herb, me face the day. Herb is me friend, me rise in the light. Me smoke the weed, me live the fight. Build with chain and pain. Them skyline shine but soul feel drained. Concrete jungle drown you dreams, but roots grow still beneath them schemes. Them pave the road with promises fake. Them drown we deep in Babylon lake, but me heart hold ancient vision. Beat steady in Jah's provision. See the preacher, see the banker smile. Them sell lie in corporate style. Me na born fi obey no man. Me born fi chant till chains began. Roots over steel, me say again. Roots find crack, reach fi rain. Though towers rise high and proud, roots are whisper strong and loud. Them can't bury truth under stone. Roots find way, even alone. Crack the wall, tear the plan. Roots arise and beat Babylon. Roots over steel, soul over gold. Fire in a we from days of old. We chant, we rise, we heal, we feel. Always roots, always real. Roots over steel, Jah over crown. Tear the illusion down. We not bow, we not kneel. Roots stand firm over steel. Them dig and dig fi tech and fame, but never find Jah's hidden flame. Me walk barefoot pan earth soil. Me spirit free, no machine spoil. Them call we backward, them scan we way, but roots stronger than systems play. Roots in we vice, roots in we hand. Roots in we dreams, roots in the land. No textbook teach the rhythm we know. Roots whisper when Babylon slow. Them can't plug out Jah vibration. Roots stronger than plantation. Them can't bury truth under stone. Roots find way, even alone.
shadows where the herb them grow. Rasta man walk the mystic flow, guided by Jah, the fire low. The secret of the earth we come fi know. Long time me hear about the Ganja King. Him walk the hills, the truth him bring. With the chalice blaze and a sacred strain, enchant the psalms and heal the pain. Them say him find the holy grail, a herb so pure Babylon can't prevail. With lamb's bread lighting up the pot, he make the wicked tremble, Jah laugh. Ganja Mystic, the wisdom divine. Smoke rise high, Jah open the sign. On the journey we seek and find truth and fire, the world align. Babylon sent soldier fi hunt him down, but the mystic vanish, him can't be found. Him said the herb belong for the humble and meek. The healing of the nations, Jah words I speak. We burn the colonist in the sacred grove. The ganja light the way, Jah love we prove. From hilltop high to the valley low, Rasta chant, the herbs still grow. Them try to criminalize Jah plan, but Jah wisdom higher than mortal man. Herb are the teacher, the healer true. With every draw, Jah blessings renew. So like the chalice, the smoke can't hide. The mystic vision, Jah spirit guide. Forever Rasta, forever free. The herb will blaze for eternity. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. So like the chalice, the smoke can't hide. The mystic vision, Jah spirit guide. Forever Rasta, forever free. The herb will blaze for eternity.
Zion, oh, Zion, oh, that Canada, oh, feel the herb in the arrowhead, so rise high, we a go anywhere. John is the danger, is the heel and swell at the top, left shred, left shred. Them a try to silence we, but we still a talk. The ghetto youth rise, we ready fi walk. Babylon plan, but we break them chain. Jah rule, we break the pain. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, we stand up firm in Jah light. Them spread them lies, but we see it clear. The truth a shine, Jah always near. Feel the herb inna the arrowhead, so cries I, we a bow anywhere. Jah best the damn Jah him the healer, the share light it up, let's share, let's share. Them poison the youth with wicked mind. Try fi make them deaf, try fi make them blind. But the truth too strong, the fire blaze. The righteous rise in these days. Me trot through valley, me climb the hill. Jah words a guide me, me hold me still. No more chains pan me soul. Freedom shine, the story told. Rise up, warrior stand. Jah give the power fi move the land. No retreat, no surrender. The victory sweet, we remember. Them can't stop the righteous plan. Jah work strong in every man. The system shake, the time soon done. We chant the psalms till the morning come. Feel the herb in my hair, oh yeah. So cries I, we a go anywhere. Jah bless the danger, this the healer, me swear. Light it up, let's share, let's share. Zion Eos, Zion Eos, Vikyamadi goes. Ghetto youth rise, take back the street. Babylon tremble under we feet. The struggle real, but the love much higher. Jah at the source, Jah the fire. Me see the vision, me hear the call. The system crumble, the wicked fall. We nah bow down, we nah take bribe. Jah people strong in every tribe. One love, one light, we shine so bright. The darkness fade, we win this fight. Drums are beat, the sound a roar. The gates of Zion, open door. Me lift me hands, me praise the King. The birds them fly, the choir.
Zion echoes. Ay, ay, ay. Great gasoline and the Massias paper. Yeah, man. Warrior's heart, me fight for the light. Through the struggle, me never lose sight. Me rise with the sun, me stand up, be right. Jah guide me steps, me heart pure and bright. Me born in a the battle, me born for the war. Me rise from the struggle, me never feel far. Me heart full of fire, me soul full of scar. Me walk through the darkness, me shine like the star. Me no run from the fight, me stand up tall. Me face the pressure, me rise after the fall. Jah bless me steps, me answer the call. Me spirit unshaken, me hear the roar. Me roll the ganja, me mind in a trance. Me rise in the vibes, me start the dance. Me see the world, me get the chance to show me strength, to take the stance. Warrior's heart, me fight for the light. Through the struggle, me never lose sight. Me rise with the sun, me stand up, be right. Jah guide me steps, me heart pure and bright. Me see the pain of the people all around. Me hear the cries, me feel the sound. But me stand firm, me feet on the ground. Me no back down, me rise, me bound. Me light the flame, me carry the torch. Me fight for the truth, me never approach the fake, the lies, me set me on porch. Herb in me hand, me like the scotch. Warrior's heart, me fight for the light. Through the struggle, me never lose sight. Me rise with the sun, me stand up, be right. Jah guide me steps, me heart pure and bright. Warrior's heart, me fight for the light. Through the struggle, me never lose sight. Me rise with the sun, me stand up, be right. Jah guide me steps, me heart pure and bright. Bright, bright, bright. Warrior's heart, me fight for the light. Through the struggle, me never lose sight. Me rise with the sun, me stand up, be right. Jah guide me steps, me heart pure and bright. Zion echoes, yeah man. Ash oil so good. Ha ha ha. Let's go. Weed in the night, me feel so right. Me light this spliff, me burn it bright. In the night, the
herb so sweet. Me rise with the smoke, me find me seat. The night so still, the stars them shine. Me light me spliff, me take the time. Me feel the peace, me feel the calm. Me light the herb, me find the balm. The struggle real, but me nah go back. Me rise above the pressure, me stay on track. Me burn the ganja, me clear me mind. Inna the night, me leave the stress behind. Me watch the moon, me watch the glow. Me burn the weed, me take it slow. Me feel the vibes, me feel the strength. Me rise with the herb, me go the length. Me find me peace, me find me place. Me take the smoke, me take the grace. The night so quiet, me hear the sound. Me burn the herb, me feel unbound. Weed in the night, me feel so right. Me light this spliff, me burn it bright. Inna the night, the herb so sweet. Me rise with the smoke, me find me seat. Me no rush, me take me time. Me light the spliff, me let the rhythm chime. Me burn the weed, me clear the air. Me leave the pressure, me have no care. Me face the struggle, me face the fight, but me find the peace. Inna the night, me light the herb, me rise to the stars. Me walk with Jah, me free from the scars. The smoke so sweet, the feeling so pure. Me rise in the night, me feel the cure. Me take the hit, me take the flight. Me feel the love, me feel the light. Weed in the night, me feel so right. Me light this spliff, me burn it bright. Inna the night, the herb so sweet. Me rise with the smoke, me find me seat. Me light the herb, me set the tone. Me rise to the sky, me never alone. Inna the night, me find me way. Me light this spliff, me rise every day. Zion rise up, no more chains. Jah fire burn the wicked flames. The people strong, the time is near. The trumpet sound, we have no fear. Babylon tremble, them can last. The righteous trod and move so fast. Me hear the cry from near and far. Zion shine just like a star. Me chant me song, me praise me King. Jah people rise, the victory sing. The ghetto youths them see the way. The light a shine, no dark today. Me stand firm, me hold the faith. No wicked heart can penetrate. Zion rise up, the battle won. The righteous march under the sun. No more sorrow, no more pain. Jah love a fall just like the rain. Me see the signs, me hear the call. The walls are crumble, Babylon fall. The elders chant, the children sing. Jah kingdom here, Jah is the king. The river flow, the garden bloom. No more darkness, no more gloom. Me walk with faith, me trod so high. The wicked flee, them can't deny. Jah light a shine from up above. We walk in unity and love. So chant this psalm and make it loud. The righteous rise above the cloud. The fire burn, the truth reveal. Jah children strong, we never kneel. Me look ahead, me see the way. The future bright, no more delay. The morning come, the night is gone. We chant for Jah, we sing with song. We see the love in every face. The world unite in Jah embrace. No more war, no wicked fight. Jah light that shine so pure, so bright. Me lift me hands, me praise Jah name. Zion rise, we break the chain. Me stand up strong, me never bow. Jah rule the earth, the time is now. The drums are beat, the voices call. Babylon walls about to fall. Zion rise up, the battle won. The righteous march under the sun. No more sorrow, no more pain. Jah love a fall just like the rain. So me chant and me rejoice. Jah bless the earth, Jah bless the vice. The battle done, the future bright. Zion rising, Jah delight. The river pure, the mountain high. We chant for Jah, we never die. Jah kingdom strong, forever true. Zion rise, me tell you too.
Zion echoes. Ay, ay, ay. Rasta man, so high. Yeah, man. Jah blessing, me feel it all the air. Every step me take, me know Jah there. The sun a shine, the stars are bright. We walking on the path of Jah's light. Jah blessing, me chant it loud. We rise above the pain, we rise above the cloud. Jah blessing, me chant it loud. We rise above the pain, we rise above the cloud. Me born on the earth, me born for the fight. But Jah give me peace, me know it's right. The world a turn, the people a fight. Me know the truth, me hold it tight. Me see the struggle, me see the tears. But me know Jah a wipe the fears. Me chant for the people, me chant for the land. Me trust in a Jah, me trust in the plan. Them try fi break we, them try fi chain. But Jah power, I flow like the rain. Jah blessing, me feel it all the air. Every step me take, me know Jah there. The sun a shine, the stars are bright. We walking on the path of Jah's light. Jah blessing, me chant it loud. We rise above the pain, we rise above the cloud. Jah blessing, me chant it loud. We rise above the pain, we rise above the cloud. Me face the storm, me face the rain. But Jah love keep me free from the pain. Me chant for the youth, me chant for the truth. Me tell them fi rise, me tell them fi move. The world may be heavy, the road may be long, but we Jah inna me heart, me always strong. Me trust in the mercy, me trust in the grace. Jah guide me steps, me keep the pace. Me see the light in the darkest night. Jah bless me soul, me feel the might. Jah blessing, me feel it all the air. Every step me take, me know Jah there. The sun a shine, the stars are bright. We walking on the path of Jah's light. Jah blessing, me chant it loud. We rise above the pain, we rise above the cloud. Jah blessing, me chant it loud. We rise above the pain, we rise above the cloud. Jah blessing, me feel it all the air. Every step me take, me know Jah there. The sun a shine, the stars are bright. Me walking on the
Zion roots, ay, ay, ay. Afghan hash smoke. Yeah, man. Me lion's heart, bold bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. The lion roars in the valley, strong and loud. In Jah's guidance, we stand so proud. Me heart full of fire, the vision clear. Rasta teachings near, Babylon we fear. From the trenches of Kingston to the hills of the east, me lion heart never cease, never feast. Jah's wisdom me carry, me soul unbreakable. Like the lion's roar, me power unshakable. With each burn, we cleanse the soul. We honor the path as the stories unfold. Through the pain, the lion rise. With wisdom and truth, me reach the skies. Through Jah's fire, me grow the roots. Lion's heart, truth never dilute. Lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion heart, beating through the sound. We move with power, no fear to be found. Through Jah's strength, me break the chains, make with spirit rise. Free from the pain, the earth, my brethren, we no play. We rise in the sun and praise the way. Me heart pure, like the fire burn for Jah's love. We always return the lion heart. In Jah we trust, in Jah's guidance, we never rust. Forever we chant, lion strength to reclaim. Me lion heart, forever remain. Lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Zion roots. Me feel the earth beneath me feet. Me roots run deep, me feel the heat. Me chant for the strength, me chant for the sound. Me know Jah's power, me stand on the ground. Me rise with the rhythm, me rise with the trees. Me feel the power in the warm breeze. Me trust in the earth, me trust in the sky. Me chant for the peace, me chant for the why. Me know the struggle, me know the pain. Me rise above the stress and the strain. Me chant for the peace, me chant for the love. Me know Jah guides me from above. Me face the challenges, me face the fight. But me trust in Jah, me walk in the light. Me rise in the earth, me rise in the heat. Me feel Jah's blessings, me feel complete. Roots of the earth, me rise so high. Me feel the power, me touch the sky. Roots of the earth, me know the truth. Me walk with Jah, me stay in the youth. Me face the trials, me face the test. But Me trust in Jah, me know me best. Me rise from the roots, me rise from the soil. Me trust in Jah, me stay loyal. Me chant for the wisdom, me chant for the truth. Me walk with Jah, me rise in the youth. Me face the struggles, me face the pain, but me rise with Jah, me feel the gain. Me rise from the roots, me rise from the seed. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the need. Me face the storm, me face the rain, but me rise above, me feel the gain. Roots of the earth, me rise so high. Me feel the power, me touch the sky. Roots of the earth, me know the truth. Me walk with Jah, me stay in the youth. Me rise from the roots, me rise from the soil. Me trust in Jah, me stay loyal. Me walk in the earth, me feel the peace. Me rise with Jah, me feel the release. Zion echoes, ay ay ay. Black mountain side in a the paper, yeah man. Deep in a the earth, the roots of wisdom grow. Jah guide me steps, the truth me know. The elders teach, the ganja glow. Roots of wisdom rise, the vibes it flow. Roots of wisdom, me stand for the cause. Me chant Jah name, me no follow the laws. Herb inna me hand, me fight for the cause. Roots of wisdom, me follow Jah's path. Wisdom flow like the rivers inna the hills. Me sip from Jah fountain, me feel Jah wheels. The herb light up, Jah power instills. Me meditate deep, Jah love fulfill. The elders them tell me fi walk the straight road. Carry Jah truth, me no carry no load. The herb inna me soul, the vibes overload. The wisdom of Jah, me mind explode. Them can't change me spirit, Jah make me free. The roots of the earth connect me to the tree. The ganja leaf whisper Jah prophecy. Behold the light, Jah power me see. Roots of wisdom, me stand for the cause. Me chant Jah name, me no follow the laws. Herb inna me hand, me fight for the cause. Roots of wisdom, me follow Jah's path. Me hear the drum beat, it call me soul. The rhythm of Jah, it make me whole. The herb like the fire, it play the role. Me walk on the journey, me reach Jah goal. Them system a try, fi blind the youth, but the roots of Jah hold the truth. The ganja plant guide the righteous root. Me rise with the wisdom, me chant the flute. Me ancestors whisper through the breeze. Them tell me fi stand strong, now make the struggle cease. The herb bring peace, the mind at peace. Me chant Jah name, Jah power increase. Oh Jah plant the roots inna me heart. Guide me soul, make the fire start. With the herb, me wisdom can depart. Jah like the way me take me part. Roots of wisdom, me stand for the cause. Me chant Jah name, me no follow the laws. Herb inna me hand, me fight for the cause. Roots of wisdom, me follow Jah's path. The herb make me wise, the herb make me see. The system can blind, Jah prophecy. Me rise pon the mountain, Jah vision me pre. The roots of the earth connect me to the tree. Me children them grow in Jah love and light. Them walking at the day, them no fear the night. The herb guide them path, the vibe so right. The roots of wisdom, the future bright. The elders rejoice, the circle complete. The herb inna the chalice make the vibes sweet. Me chant for Jah glory, me heart no retreat. The wisdom of Jah.